Hey there, Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering in Lake Worth. Welcome to another episode here of our quarantine cantina. Hope everybody out there is staying safe and healthy and happy. Today I'm just going to do something. How about a little chocolate dipped strawberries? Everybody loves them. They're fun. They're easy. Let's just roll right through it. I've got some chocolate. Whatever kind of chocolate you like. This happens to be a little cocoa berry. I do like a 58%. Little white chocolate, because again, we're going to give it a little drizzle because, we can't just let it roll like that. Some strawberries, and let's get started. First off, let's melt the chocolate. So I'm just going to take some of the dark chocolate, and we're going to set it over here in a double boiler. Can you do it in the microwave? Absolutely. Just stir it and check it. So I'm just going to set it over here. And we're going to turn that up just a little bit. Best way to think about chocolate, I had this explained to me one time, is if you think about the chocolate as being ice cubes. You just want them to melt. You don't want them to get hot. You don't want it to be like super liquidy, but they'll melt there pretty quick. So we're going to let that, and then just give this a little stir as it goes. And while we're getting that ready, I've got just a little sheet pan here with some parchment on it. And that'll be there. So we'll dip them, set them on there, and then while we're doing that, we'll get our white chocolate ready. I'm just going to get this right into a pan. I've just got some little white chocolate bites there. Those will be the next one to go. And you see how it's starting to melt. And again, we just want to stir it and get everything all combined. You don't want the bowl, the bottom of the bowl to be sitting in the water, and you just want it to be simmering, not even boiling. So there we go. Now it's starting to melt. And that's going to be able to give it our nice sheen, when we keep that going like that. See how that's coming? See how that's coming? It's just about there. We're 3/4 of the way there. And we are just about there. Look at that. And that's what you want. There's still a couple little pieces, but those will melt, and that's exactly where you want it to be. While that's going, I'm just going to set our white chocolate in there to get it started. Look at that. All nice and smooth and ready to dip. So let's start taking our berries. I like to pull these. These are already rinsed off, and you want to dry them too because the chocolate and the water don't really mix good. So we rinsed and dried, and we're just going to hold them by the stem and dip them in. Good amount on one side. You still want to see a little bit of the berry. And then just set them there. We'll do a few of these up. If you've got any special occasions coming, somebody's birthday, or you're locked down, or just a nice way to say hello, thinking about you, this is always a good hit. Like I said, everybody loves chocolate dipped strawberries. And again, you're just seeing, this is super easy. You're just going to dip it, let the last little bit drizzle off of it. And then I'm going to show you a little way to dress it up. Are they good to go just like that? Absolutely. You can just let them be. You want to dress them up a little bit more. You got some little sprinkles or shaved chocolate you want to put on there. Now's the time while the chocolate's still a little bit wet. My personal preference, like I said, I like the white chocolate, so that's what we're going to do here. All right. So we've got that. And now while we're going to let that set a little bit. You could pop it in the fridge. Or you can just let it be. I'm just going to let it be. And our white chocolate is the same. But see how that's already got a little head start? That's perfect. And we're just going to stir that until that's nice and creamy. While that's working, I'm going to show you this. best way to do this to get a nice even drizzle on there, you could do it with a spoon. I like to do a little pastry cup. These are super easy to make, and I'm going to show you how to do that as well. Look at that. That is just about ready. So we're going to shut that off. I'm going to show you how to make one of these little cups. What you're going to do is you're going to take a little piece of the parchment and you're going to want to cut it square. The easiest way to cut it square is just fold it over to where it's even, and that makes your square. And then you're going to cut that square into a triangle. And the triangle works out to be the perfect little part for the pastry bag. And you've got a nice even flat edge. Save that for another time. And you take and fold it corner to corner. We're going to pull our chocolate on. It's perfect. Fold it corner to corner. And you're just going to roll it up into a little cone. And then you roll it up into the little cone, all the little pieces, all the little corners line up, and you can just take and fold that over, give it a little tear, and then that'll hold it in place. And then you can just fill those and nip the end. I've got one already done, and I found the easiest way for this is go ahead and put it into a little something if you don't have somebody to help hold it. If you got somebody to hold it, that's even easier. But today, I do not. So we're going to do that, and then we're just going to fill this up with a little bit of that, a little bit of our white chocolate. Try not to fill those more than about halfway, because you're still going to want to fold it up on the end. And then we're just going to sort of roll it over, and we're going to nip the end of that off. And see where we're at as far as the drizzle. You want to nip enough off that you can drizzle it, but not so much that it's going to come out too there. And then here, and then I just drizzle it back and forth. Okay. Give it a little quick back and forth. Gorgeous. If you like the checkerboard, go the opposite direction. And then there, let those chill for a little bit. Like I said, that'll all gel up, and those aren't quite set, so we're just going to let them be. Platter them up, and those are delicious to go. I'm Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering. Thanks for watching. Be safe and healthy and happy. Treat each other well. And again, as always, thanks for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Let us know what you think. Take care. Thank you.